Hello, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be unboxing the Toshiba 480GB SSD hard drive. So let's begin! With the help of this SSD, you will see and experience a substantial change in both the performance and speed of your laptop or PC. I highly recommend this for those who need a little extra boost from their old PCs. Also, I've experienced faster boot up times and video rendering. I give it a 9 on my quality score. I did enjoy it a lot. I think you would too. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. And I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace out.